If you notice vandalism or damage during restroom cleaning, stop work only as needed for safety and immediately follow a clear incident reporting process. First, assess the scene calmly and prioritize safety for yourself and others by securing any hazards such as broken glass or exposed wiring and placing visible warnings like a wet floor sign. Next, notify the on-site manager or designated supervisor right away using the employer-approved channel and include precise location details and time of discovery. Document the incident thoroughly with time-stamped photographs from multiple angles and note any identifying marks or items left behind while keeping your descriptions factual and objective. Avoid attempting any major repairs or moving structural elements because that can worsen damage or expose you to liability and injury. Cleanable areas around the damage should be sanitized and restored to safe use while clearly marking the damaged area so users know to avoid it. Record your actions and the manager response in the incident log and follow up if no action is taken within the expected timeline set by your employer. Common mistakes include trying to fix structural damage yourself, which can increase risk and liability, so stop and wait for trained maintenance personnel to handle repairs. Another issue is poor documentation like unclear photos or vague notes, which can delay resolution, so always capture multiple clear images, write exact times, and describe what you saw in simple, objective language. A third frequent problem is failing to communicate with coworkers or front desk staff, which leads to repeat exposures, so immediately inform anyone who will interact with the restroom and, if needed, place signage and barriers until maintenance arrives. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work, and our site connects people through listings and a discussion community where users share experiences and recommendations. We make it easy for users to post questions, discuss incidents like restroom vandalism, and learn best practices from others in the field.